Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert scanned documents into editable text using Google Drive and Google Docs. First, open your browser. Go to Google Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, click on the New button and choose File Upload. Locate the scanned document, select your file, and click Open. Once it's uploaded, right-click on the file, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. Now, give it a few seconds. Google Docs will read the text from the image and automatically extract it for you. As you can see, the scanned content is converted into editable text on a new page. Next, let's clean it up a bit. Delete the image at the top, remove any unnecessary lines, and format the text properly. Once everything looks good, you're ready to save it. Go to File, then Download, and choose Microsoft Word or any format you prefer. And that's it. Your scanned document is now fully converted into editable text. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.